Hello children, in this video we are going to see about first term third unit energy lesson. So what are the subtopics we are going to learn in this lesson means to know about the different forms of energy and then explain the energy changes in daily life and then understand the law of conservation of energy and then list out the uses of energy. So these are the subtopics we are going to learn in this lesson. Then first subtopic, introduction. So Mala was standing in the row for her morning school assembly. Suddenly she fainted and fell down. Her class teacher rushed to her, took her to the classroom and gave her water to drink. She came to know that Mala had skipped her breakfast. She was given some food and then she came back to normal. What do you understand from this? See, children, what they given in the first paragraph. Mala was went to the prayer. Okay, suddenly she was fell down. So afterwards, class teacher took her to the classroom and give some water to drink. Then afterwards, she was not ate the breakfast. Then she was given some. The class teacher was given some food to eat. Then after eating the food, she was came to the normal. So from that into what you understood means we need energy to do various work in our daily life. Okay, so we get from where into you're getting the energy means from the food. Okay, that only given see in the second paragraph. We need energy to do our daily activities, so we get this energy from the food. Where into you're getting the energy means from the food. So in science, energy is defined as capacity to do work. So science, what is the energy means the capacity to do work is called as the energy. So let us, we are going to learn about different forms of the energy and their uses in this lesson. So first subheading, different forms of energy. We do many works in our daily life. So many of them are done physically. Some works are done with the help of instruments and devices, but they need energy to work. So there are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy, and so on. So let us study about them one by one. See children, what they given in this paragraph means, so we are doing different types of the work in our daily life. We want to do the work means we need energy that we are known. Okay, so most of the work how we are doing means in the physically, okay, with the help of our body. Okay, next is some works we are doing with the help of the instrument or the devices. With the help of for example, if you want to prepare chutney means using the mixie we are preparing. And then with the help of the fan we are getting the wind energy. So like that certain devices will be help to do work. And also we need the energy to do the work. There are different types of the energy we are using for doing our work. What are the forms of the energy means certain examples here given: mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy. So like the different types will be there: electrical energy, solar energy, chemical energy. So one by one you are going to learn about that one. So first type, mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. What is a mechanical energy means? The object want to maintain its position. Okay. So it may be the resting or it may be the movement. So it want to be constant to maintain its position means it has certain energy. So that is only called as the mechanical energy. Okay. So mechanical energy again subdivided into two types, are classified into two types. What are that means? Kinetic energy and then potential energy. Okay, kinetic energy and potential energy. First you are going to learn about kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means nothing but movement. So which are the object was moving, so it has certain type of the energy, that is only called as the kinetic energy. So it is also known as energy of motion. It is helpful for the movement, no? So it is called as energy of motion. Okay, next example for the kinetic energy: moving car, cricket ball, then cricket ball bowled by a player, then bullet comes coming out of a gun. See children, what are the example? Moving car, first example. Second one, cricket ball bowled by a player. Bowling is there, no? Bowling are known, I think they're throwing the ball, so that one. And then bullet coming out from the gun, that is this and all example. These are all those things will be moving, so moving objects, so it is having the kinetic energy. The next one, potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as the potential energy. See, potential energy means nothing but children, the object which are in the resting condition has this type of the energy. That means it does not undergoes movement. So it is also known as stored energy of position. So stored means what? A stable, stagnant. Okay. So potential energy is otherwise called as the stored energy of position. Next, what are the example for this potential energy? Means object lifted above, then stone in the stretched rubber, and then water in the dam. See, object lifted above, so one object lifted நம்ம மேல தூக்குறது, சரிங்களா? stored, சரிமா, stone in the stretched rubber band, அதாவது இந்த டயக்ராம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, இதுதான் சரிங்களா? ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து லிஃப்ட் பண்ணுறது. இது வந்து என்னன்னாக்கா stretched rubber band, and then water stored in the dam, இது நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம், சரிங்களா? So these are all example of the potential energy. Even the water will be stored in a tank, that is also come under this category only. Next, what are the use of the mechanical energy? We are going to learn now. Okay, so mechanical energy can be used to do many works. Some of them are given below. So the mechanical energy will be helpful for to doing the different types of the work. What are that one by one you're going to learn. So first one, in hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. See, hydroelectric plant means nothing but by using the water. Hydro means water. Okay, by using the water we are making the electricity or producing the electricity. So that is only called as the hydroelectric plant. Here what will be happening means this kinetic energy. So in the dam, into dam water if we are opening means that will be from that into that water will be moves very fast, no? So it has the kinetic energy. So that energy will be converted into the electrical energy. For that purpose the mechanical energy will be useful. The second one, windmill converts kinetic energy into wind into electrical energy. See children, windmills are known. Here what is its function? It converts the kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. So that means kinetic energy of wind. Why it is called as like that? Wind also will be moving. So the wind energy will be converted into the electrical energy. The next uses mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. ஸோ நெயில்லாம் ஆணி அடிக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான் சரிங்களா? இங்கே நெயில் வந்து நம்மளுடைய ஃபிங்கரில் இருக்கிற நெயில் இல்லை, ஆணி. ஸோ பை யூஸிங் த ஹேமர்னால் அந்த சுற்றி சொல்லுவாங்களே, அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஓகே இந்த நெயில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு 2 wooden pieces ஜாயின் பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஹேவிங் த மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி. நெக்ஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் ஒன், மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி கேன் பிரிங் எ moving body to rest and make a body of rest to the move. So another uses, one object was moving means that you can make to rest. A resting object we can move. So for that purpose also it will be useful. See children, here they will be given dam. Okay, so from the dam into you can make the electrical energy. From wind into electrical energy you can produce. This is the hammer. I said already, no? This is helpful for various purposes in our daily life. Okay, and then this is what means car, he is pushing the car. So what in all those things, certain type of the energy it will be used. So here one of the activity will be given. With the help of the activity you want to find out, okay, in these pictures what are the types of the energy will be happen. Okay, next one, wind energy. Next subtopic we are going to learn about the wind energy. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. அதாவது wind என்ன தெரியலங்களா, air energy. Air it will be having no energy, that energy only are called as the wind energy. What are the use of the wind energy means, windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Okay, windmill ஒரு பவர் ஸ்டேஷன் மாதிரி, ஓகேவா? ஸோ இங்கே என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா விண்ட் எனர்ஜியிலேருந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், ஷிப் செயில் பை த பவர் ஆஃப் விண்டு. அதாவது ஷிப் வந்து தெரியும் இல்லையா, அதை மூவ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அது எப்படின்னா வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் த விண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் லைக் விண்ட் சர்ஃபிங், தென் செயிலிங், கைட் செயிலிங், அண்ட் தென் கைட் சர்ஃபிங் யூஸ் விண்ட் எனர்ஜி. அதாவது ஷிப் மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கும் சரிங்களா. அப்புறம் ஒரு சில ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கும், அதாவது விண்ட் சர்ஃபிங், செயிலிங், கைட் சர்ஃபிங். ஸோ இது எல்லா கேமும் எப்படி நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் த விண்ட் எனர்ஜி. நெக்ஸ்ட் விண்ட் எனர்ஜி கேன் பி யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் பம்பிங் வாட்டர். வாட்டர் வந்து பம்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் இந்த விண்ட் எனர்ஜி வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த விண்ட் மில்ஸ் சரிங்களா. இதிலிருந்து தான் விண்ட் எனர்ஜி வந்து என்னவாகும், எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜியாக வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி அதை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்முக்கு சேஞ்ச், அதாவது டிரான்ஸ்மிட் பண்ணுவாங்க சரிங்களா. அதை ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்முக்கு வந்து டிரான்ஸ்மிட் பண்ணுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த ஷிப்பு வந்து சேலிங்க்கும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்கிறாங்க. அப்புறம் ஒரு சில ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கும் அது வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. See children, here given one of the important points. Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from windmills. So windmills are located in places like Aralvaimozhi, Kayatharu, and then Kodamkulam. See children, so in our India itself, Tamil Nadu state, our state only, first place by using the windmill we can produce the electricity. அதாவது windmill வந்து விண்மில் யூஸ் பண்ணி எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுல நம்மளுடைய தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டேட் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த விண்மில் எங்கெங்கே இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா அரல்வாய்மொழி, கயத்தாறு, அண்ட் தென் கூடம்குளம். சாரி சில்ட்ரன், கூடம்குளம் இட் வில் பி ஹாஸ் த what is that means atomic power station. Okay, here windmill where it was there means Koodi Mangalam. The next form of the energy we are going to see about heat energy. So when the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kinetic energy. See children, what they given, one object is there. Okay, so its temperature will be increased. So when temperature will be increased, what will be happening means it will be made up of smallest particle, that is the atom, and then molecule. It will be started to vibrate. Then due to the vibration it releases the energy. That energy is nothing but kinetic energy. So this energy is known as heat energy or the thermal energy. So due to the vibration of the object, the energy will be released. No, how it was released? By increasing the temperature. So that is only called it as the heat energy or otherwise thermal energy. So this energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. Always heat energy from where into where transferring means hot substances to a cold substance. Next, if you put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. So it is because heat is transferred from water to ice. See children, what they given, you are taken the ice cubes. Okay, that ice cubes you are added into the, or put into the, put into the water in a glass. Okay, one glass water taken, inside what you are added means ice cubes. Then what will be happening, the water will be becoming a cold. How it was happening means heat is transferred from water to the ice. Okay va? So when you are added, heat will be transferred from water to the ice, so only it will be becoming a cold. The next one, here one of the activity will be given children. Rub your hands together. What do you feel in your hand? Do you feel the heat energy by friction? That is generated by friction is correct. So when you are rubbing your hand, what will be happening, the heat will be produced. So we're rubbing, that is nothing but friction. Here next activity what they given, take a small amount of lime and then powder in a glass, then add some water and stir well. Touch the glass outside. How do you feel? So you are taken the lime powder, okay, then you are added with the water. Okay, after adding you are stirring well. What will be happening means it produce the heat. So if you are touching that container means definitely we can feel the heat. So in both the cases you can feel the heat. So thus heat is produced by friction and the chemical reactions also. sun is the primary source of heat energy. So from this into what you are understood means, uh, heat will be produced by the friction, okay, or otherwise due to the chemical reactions. So which is the main source of the heat energy means sun, or otherwise it is called as sun is the primary source of the heat energy. Next, what are the use of the heat energy you are going to learn? The first use, heat energy obtained from power stations is used to generate electricity. Power station, atomic power station, hydroelectric power station, like the different types of the power station is there, no? So from that into you are obtaining, it will be useful for the generating electricity. Generating is to produce the electricity. Second use, heat energy obtained from petrol and then diesel is used to run vehicle, okay. Due to the combustion of the petrol and diesel, it produces the heat energy. It will be helpful for movement of the vehicles. Then third point, we cook food with the help of heat. So heat energy renders the food materials soft and easy to digest. See children, with the help of the food substance, sorry, with the help of the heat energy, we can cook the food substances. So what is the use of the cooking means, it will be makes the food substances soft and also it is help to easy digestion. Next day, hard substances like iron and heated to mold them into different shapes. See children, with the help of the heat energy, okay, we are making the iron into different shapes. How means, when you are heating, it will be becoming a soft, and that time you can bend it into the which shapes are needed and that shapes, okay. And then we can make it with the help of that activity, different forms of the windows, doors, etc. Next one, heat is used to dry cloth and other wet substances. So not leaving that, what are the purpose it will be useful means, to dry the cloth or otherwise wet substances. Any substance, it may be the vessels or it may be the grains, that also we can make into dry with the help of the heat energy. Next we are going to learn about the light energy. Okay, here they given the use of the heat energy, even in the industries, even for the movement of the car, and also for the cooking the food substances, like that various purpose will be useful. Next, light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particles called photons, which are the minute packets of energy. See children, light means nothing but like the heat, even it is also another form of the energy. How it was traveling means in the form of the wave, and then it will be has the smallest particle, that is called as the photons. And then the photon means nothing but it is the minute packets of the energy. Minute means smallest packet of the energy. Next, it is the only form of energy visible to human eye. That is, only light is a form of energy we can see with the help of our eyes. Next one, light does not require any medium to travel. So it travels at a speed of 3 lakhs kilometer per second. See children, does not need any material medium, okay, through air, water, like that. So what is speed of the light, it was traveling means 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Then sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach earth. From the sun into, it will be want to reach the earth means, it will, how much time it will be needed means 8 minutes. Next, we are going to learn about the use of energy. First point, we are able to see objects with the help of light energy. அதாவது ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நம்ம பார்க்கணும்னா கண்டிப்பாக அதுக்கு லைட் எனர்ஜி தேவை. Next, plants use light energy to synthesize their food. Synthesis means nothing but children to manufacture or to make its own food. Next, with the help of the light energy, our skin is able to synthesis vitamin D. லைட் எனர்ஜி சன்லைட் மூலயமா, அதனால தான் நம்ம சன்லைட்டில் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, நம்ம சன்லைட் நம்ம மேலே படும்போது ஸ்கின் வந்து என்னது, ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக விட்டமின் டி வந்து சிந்தசிஸ் பண்ணிக்கும், அதாவது ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி கேன் பி ப்ரொடியூஸ்ட் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் லைட் எனர்ஜி. எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும், சன்லைட் யூஸ் பண்ணி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க, ஓகேவா. ஸோ அதான் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கள், சரிங்களா. அந்த டயக்ராமில் பிளான்ட்டுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது, ப்ளஸ் நமக்கு வந்து நம்ம விட்டமின்ஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறது. அப்புறம் சோலார் பேனல், அதாவது சன்லைட் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், சேவ் பண்ணி இந்த சோலார் பேனல் மூலிமா எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி நம்மளுடைய ஹோமில் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பர்பஸ்க்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க.